Can you believe it? I sure can't believe it. I can't believe 100,000 of you are watching me on YouTube or are subscribed to my channel. That's pretty amazing. I never would have thought last year when I started my channel in April that a year later I would have 100,000 subscribers on my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. I thank you. I read every comment, every message you send me, and it really encourages me and it makes me want to just create new content for you guys and keep doing this. I really can't thank you guys enough for subscribing to my channel and being a part of this channel. And so to try to say thank you, I am doing a $100 giveaway. I'm actually going to be giving away 2 gift cards. I'm going to be giving a $50 gift card away to Target and a $50 gift card away to Dollar Tree. That way we can have 2 winners. So to enter this giveaway, it's super simple. All you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel, and then in the comments section, leave me a comment and let me know what videos you would like to see on this channel. If there's a lifestyle thing you'd like me to do, just comment below. It will really help me moving forward with knowing what you guys are interested in watching. I am going to pick a winner for these in 3 days. So make sure you come back and check the description box to see if I picked you. Another thing you can do is check your comments, because I will always reply to the winner and let you know that you've won. Once you've won, you have to send me an email and give me your address and stuff so that I can send it out to you. So make sure you check back on this video so that you know that you won. And I'm also doing a second bonus entry if you guys follow me on Instagram. My name on Instagram is mydiyhomeliz. All you have to do is find me on Instagram, go there, follow me, and then find the picture of me holding up this little gift card, and just leave me a comment on that video letting me know that you follow me. And I will also link in the description box to my Instagram link. So I just want to thank you guys again so much for being my 100,000 subscribers and following me and just being a part of this channel. And good luck on the giveaway, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!